At Ohio State, we're revolutionizing the way we train physical therapist residents and fellows and occupational therapy fellows. We're creating a bridge between entry-level education and post-professional practice to meet the needs of our patients in our community.
A lot of clinicians say that in your first 5 or so years of practice, you're so green and you're so inexperienced. And so it takes some time to really form those strong clinical reasoning skills. And so I knew that mentorship would allow me to fast track that as much as possible. With the resources that Ohio State provides, I feel like it really puts you on the fast track to being a more seasoned clinician in a shorter period of time.
You learn so much in such a short amount of time. We have opportunities not only for exploring a wide diversity of diagnoses in our clinical realms, but also opportunity for research and teaching.
I chose Ohio State specifically because of all of the opportunities that it had. I have guaranteed one-on-one mentoring in person every single week. All of the opportunities to teach within the program, which has been so valuable to me. There's a lot of teach back as well as a lot of learning from our didactic curriculum. So there's just so many ways to learn in this program and so many opportunities.
Throughout my residency, I went through 8 different rotations, and each rotation I had a mentor that was a renowned therapist in their field. And now I just kind of feel like I'm a mixture of all of them put together.
Our program is rigorous, but we are going to make sure that you have a great experience. We're going to take great care of you while you're here. The expectations are high, but we are going to support you along the way and make sure that by the time you graduate, you are the best version of yourself. Once a Buckeye, always a Buckeye, and we take care of our own.
When I was interviewing here, I asked the faculty when it was my turn to ask some questions what their reason for wanting to be part of the residency program was. And none of them really mentioned the facilities or the tech or the prestige of the program. They all mentioned the fact that it really feels like a family here. That was a big draw for me, knowing that I can look forward to showing up to work every single day. I want to be somewhere where I'm wanted, and I feel very wanted here at Ohio State.
You come to this big university and you think you're just gonna be kind of lost in the big ocean that it is, and you get in and you find the people that really relate to the things that you're passionate about, and you really just find your niche and you really find a lot of support in that.
Whether you join a fellowship or a residency, if you're a physical therapist or an occupational therapist, the knowledge that you gain of both disciplines is super important. And I think that's what really makes it distinct at Ohio State.
The advice that I would give to people considering this program is to take every single opportunity that you can. I think that we are fortunate to be a good center hub in Columbus, where we get a lot of different patients from all over the state and even multiple states, where we can really get these complex diagnoses that not many people get.
I feel like I am rewarded for the work that I put into the program. So I think my mentors and the residency staff work as hard as I do to give me the opportunities that I want and challenge me to become a better clinician. So I think that's become really valuable to me to see that the work that I'm putting in is being reciprocated by everyone.
Whether you're a physical therapist or you're an occupational therapist, what we really try to do with the residencies and fellowship is to create lifelong learning and to build a network that will last the rest of their professional careers.
Do your research, be open-minded. The program, we are evaluating that you are a good fit for us, but you should also be evaluating that we are a good fit for you. And if it feels like the right fit, then make the most of it, jump in 2 feet and keep an open mind, and you're gonna do great.